First of all, I'm going to say I'm grateful to all the clients that we've had and that we've made over time and that have retained with us since the whole COVID. We won't still be here without them, that's for sure. My name is Roshan. I work with my family. We've been serving Seattle since the year 2010. My mom and dad have a very, very strong inclination of wanting to do something when they first came here. First year, they were doing small deliveries. But all this only happened through my mom and dad's steadfast, like they love cooking. So we are a Punjabi restaurant. We are in Northwest India. Our cooking style that differs between the Southern Indian cuisine and Northern Indian cuisine is because we're heavily oriented vegetarian. Our vegetarian selection and the style of the way that we cook it with the spices, herbs, and the slow method of preparation of it, that's a little bit unique. I get a lot of customers from the cruise ships, from this cruise season. If they weren't here, if I don't generate that clientele, it's very tough for me during the winter. Surprisingly, I've met some families again and again. They come back for cruise ships. Now I have 2 extra more. One is full-time, one is part-time to keep summer going and then the cruise ships going. If I don't have extra hands, then it's very hard for me to keep up with that. So yes, I do make sure I keep on a deck. Like I staff. They're all family. They have kids. They have my grandpa, grandma. And when they come in here, it's not just 1 or 2 person. It's actually a group of 10, 12, 7, 8, outdoor seating, 9 of them. And because I'm a family restaurant, because I avail myself to that prospect that I'm able to serve family in the family style, I think that attracts them.